The National Identity Management Commission says it has enrolled 42 million Nigerians into the National Identity Database. In order to adequately control the capture, storage and utilization of data and to protect the country and its people, the government is now drafting a data protection law. The law will regulate and shape the activities of individuals, organizations and government in matters relating to the processing of personal information. And data privacy expert Tokunbo Smith joins us on the news at 7 for an expert view on this. Good to have you join us. Now, we have successfully enrolled about 42 million people on the NIMC project. So talk us through how a data protection law will promote trust, particularly as it relates to the protection of privacy rights and personal data.
Well, the government is moving in the right direction because all over the world, data protection law or regulation is on ground. And Nigeria cannot be an island. So we need a data protection law. Unfortunately, NIDA started this Nigeria Data Protection Regulation. And the new regulation is going to be taken over by the Data Protection Commission, which already the President, Mr. Muhammadu Buhari, has already signed. And that is why you see NIMC being moved from Ministry of Internal Affairs to Ministry of Information and Digital Economy, so that the NIMC will be purely under digital economy, because we are in a digital age, and the data bank is growing so much that they need to be in a ministry that can surely be responsible for the growth of data. So for the identity, I think NIMC should do more. We should not just be going to NIMC office for registration. They should diversify into other areas that there are organizations which can help them by providing them, those organizations, the necessary equipment and infrastructure.
All right, so if I may just come in here, because you mentioned that we're moving in the right direction, but we've had laws before now, especially the National Protection Regulation, National Data Protection Regulation. And many fear that the provisions of these previous laws were considered ineffective in imposing sanctions, especially in the event of data breach and abuse of this data. So how do we guard against that with this new bill?
With this new bill, I have seen the new bill, I have read it, and I can tell you that the new bill is coming with a better solution, because NIDA is involved in the new bill. And with the experience and exposure and technical know-how of NIDA, they are putting so much into the new bill. And there are areas whereby the old bill was not really putting justice to. Like in the new bill, if you sell a record, you are going to pay some amount. And one record, if you send 10 records, the new bill is saying that if you sell somebody's record, you will pay 500,000. So if you send 10 records, that is 5 million. And also, you can go to jail, either 1 year or so, I've forgotten. But also, the new bill is taking care of real enforcement, because the enforcement, the composition of the Data Protection Commission involve not only organization, is involving also the police, the security agents, whereby they can enforce it without any problem. And also the new base, the commission involved not only ministry or agency, it involves data protection practitioners as well.
All right.
And it involves computer society and a lot of people. So
I'm afraid we do have to leave it there. Data privacy expert Tokunbo Smith, thanks for talking to us.